holidays are in Sweden, so we're gonna make some traditional Swedish food. But I'm not sure if vegan meatball is traditional.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. But anyway, we want to veganize Swedish traditional food, so we're gonna make Swedish vegan meatball. We're gonna use this soy meat. I guess it's a popular brand that you can get it in Sweden. So get your soy meat and let's get started. We're gonna make a lot of vegan meatballs, so we prepared this 2 baggage of soy meat. One is 850 grams. We're using 4 yellow onions. We're gonna finely chop it.
It's gonna be so much. So this is the most important part, getting the onion finely chopped, finely minced, to make some really good tasting meatballs and get a homogeneous quality of all the meatballs.
Finely chopped onions. Good work, Chef Yondo.
Yeah, that looks good.
So this is how Chef Yondo did his vegan meatball. They are very consistent and regular, and he's really happy about it. And then these are my meatballs. It's not pretty regular. I try to make it regular, but yeah, I focus more on having fun, kind of. But we both have fun.
Too much moist.
yesterday we made 144 Swedish vegan meatballs, and to complete the dish, today we'll have to do some potatoes. Today we're gonna make accordion potatoes with these matcha potatoes, and as well we'll also make brown sauce to have it with it. 10 potatoes. Now we're doing the brown sauce, and here we got this special pan for sauce, and we're gonna use this Oatly cream. What are we adding?
We're adding jelly.
Black currant jelly.
Yeah, black currant jelly. For some nice taste.
We actually wanted to put lingonberry jam,
We do.
but we forgot to buy.
So some recipes suggest this. I personally prefer lingonberry jam, but this is also very good ingredients to have in brown sauce to give a little bit of sweetness, but also this gives actually a bit of sourness in the taste it has as well.
Nice.
Sour sauce. Here I mainly look at the color to find the right salt balance. So now it's getting a bit browner, right? Yeah, here we can see. Getting a bit browner.